welcome back to my kitchen. I'm doing some more Christmas baking. This time I am making traditional shortbread cookies. These are the ones that I make every year, and they're so light and delicious, and everybody likes them. So I thought I'd share the recipe on here. It is a very simple recipe. All you need is 2 cups of butter, softened, which I have in here. You need a cup of confectioner sugar or icing sugar. You need half of a cup of cornstarch and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And that's it. That is as simple as it gets. So we start out by whipping this softened butter. I'm going to use my Sunbeam stand mixer here. I love this machine. And we slowly ramp up the speed a little bit, because what we need to do is whip it until it's fluffy. Work out the speed. I love the stand mixer because I don't have to stand here and hold it. That is one of my pet peeves. So okay, it is now on number 11 speed, which is in the whipping section. So basically you're whipping the butter till it's light and fluffy. Shouldn't take long because it is pre-softened. It's been out of the fridge for a little bit, so it should be quite malleable. And once it's whipped, you add in the icing sugar, the cornstarch, and the flour. You just put them all in there. I will leave the recipe in the description box. It's just this simple, but I'll itemize the steps and what you do, and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start adding in the icing sugar. Slowly let it incorporate here. Get a spatula going. What happens when you get fine powdered sugar? It tends to do that. Okay. That's in. Now let's add the cornstarch, half a cup. Again. Sure to get the sides of your mixer so that you get everything involved, not stuck around the sides. Alright, and here goes the flour in bits. Now it's getting some substance. There's stuff in there to work with now. Again, scrape down the sides as you will to make sure everything's incorporated. getting quite light and fluffy, which is what we want, because that will end up in mouth-watering cookies that just melt in your mouth. And that again is what we want. Now, once they're all mixed in, we heat on low for 1 minute and then high for 3 to 4 minutes. So there we go. Let's ramp it up and really get these things blended. This is the time of year when everybody is doing their baking, and this is one of my standby recipes that I like to make every year. Now, you can decorate these after, or you can eat them plain. I like to sometimes melt some chocolate and just drizzle it over, like not a solid coating, but just drizzle it so that it's just a hint of chocolate. That's a nice way to decorate it, and especially if you're giving them as homemade gifts. Do some with, some without, you know, alternate them and make it look really nice. Alright, pink. There we go. And that's how you do that. Just ease the head back. Okay, now everything is mixed together. It is fairly light and fluffy. Now what I do, instead of just dropping it by the teaspoon and it's just a blob on the sheet, right? What I like to do is take a piping bag with a fairly big tip. Okay, you can choose the tip of your choice, but what I do is just fill the piping bag with the cookie dough, and then pipe it onto the baking sheet. And space them about 2 inches apart. And these get cooked, they get baked at 375, which you preheat your oven to. And again, all ovens bake different temperatures, etc. So keep an eye on your oven until you determine what is the best temperature, what's the best timing for yours. The temperature is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And here we go. Get this all in here. And this recipe yields about 48 cookies. So 4 dozen. Now again, depending on your need, you can double or triple that. Depending on how many you're giving away, how many you need to entertain company with, etc. But I usually I make 1 or 2 batches a year around this time of year, so go with that for now. Almost in there. Alright, here we go. Now, that is 1 full piping bag. So, you straighten it out. And these get piped onto ungreased cookie sheets. I line mine with parchment just for easy cleanup. Shove things out of the way here and make room for the cookie trays. There we go. And all you do is you start somewhere and you pipe in. Now you can do it in circles or ovals or however you like. however big a cookie you like. There we go. I just find it gives them a nice look. And these are baked. 12 to 15 minutes. Or as I said, depending on your oven, whatever that determines to be for you. Keep an eye on them at first until you determine what that is. And there we go. And there we go. So I will continue piping out the cookies onto the sheets and bake them up, and I will be right back with some finished cookies. Stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, here is the final results. I got about 2.5 dozen, but as you can see, I've made them quite a bit larger than the standard cookie. But that's totally up to you how big you make them or how small. But in our house, this is kind of standard big. You're looking for a light golden brown on the bottom and just a bit of brown on the edges, and that's all they need to cook. They are light and they are they're buttery, they're delicious. As I said, you can decorate these with chocolate or your favorite topping kind of thing, but they are great as a standalone as well. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and it is really simple, and as I said, it will be in the description box below, so you can just copy and paste it into your favorite Word program and print it off for yourself. And I want to wish everybody, subscribers, non-subscribers alike, Merry Christmas, and have some fun baking this season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.